Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to research necklaces. And basically what I've been doing is I've been taking designs that have worked well for t-shirts or hoodies for me, and I've been adjusting them to fit them on a necklace, and that's been working really, really well. So if you have t-shirts or old designs that have sold well, then putting them onto a necklace is a very, very good idea. It'll work really well for you. So on the same hand, if you see niches where a lot of t-shirts are sold, you can always go into those and put up a necklace too. Okay, now if you don't have any past ones that have worked really well for you, then you can go into here, go to Google, and just type this in, site gearbubble.com, and then the word pendant, and you're going to get a bunch of results. Okay, you can just go through them, and you can see there's a sample of one with a bulldog, kind of cool. 6 sold there. I love you to Texas. To Texas and back. Everybody loves Italian. This one's a heart. That's cool, with a flag on it. So I'm not saying go there and copy these people, because that's not cool to do. Shriner lady, I don't even get that one. Maybe, oh, is that the Shriners Club? I don't know. The Spotty Dog. That's a bracelet, but it shows like a dog on it. That's cool. So you can get ideas there too. Heart. Square. There's another one. You can do. Also available in Square. So there's a bunch in here. Fantasy Man. Just go through them and you can get inspiration from this. My Fantasy Man is a ginger Scottish Highlander. Interesting. Cool. Oh, looky here. I know this one. Oh, no, that's not mine. That's a different one. I love my kids. I love my kids to the moon and back. That's a good one. It's a bracelet. So, you can spend a lot of time here because there's a lot on there. But do not go on there and just rip somebody off, okay? Make sure that you take the idea or the niche and create your own unique design. And I stress unique, because if somebody sees you copying them, they can easily go to GearBubble and say, hey, this dude copied me or this woman copied me, please take it down. And just think of it this way. If you had something going really well and somebody all of a sudden took your design and copied it and started selling it, how would that make you feel? So put yourself in other people's shoes when you're doing this. I only show you this so that you can use this for inspiration to create your own unique design, okay? Be unique. It works a lot better than copying. Copying means you're not being creative, you're not being original, and you're not going to have as good a results as somebody who is unique, okay? This is wide open right now. There's a lot of slogans, a lot of sayings, a lot of everything. All the old ways you know to figure out things to put on a t-shirt, all those old methods apply to necklaces as well. So, be unique. Do not ever, ever copy somebody. Okay, if anybody copies anybody in our program, I'm just going to kick them out of the program because I won't tolerate that at all. So, there's your warning. Do that. Think of the other person on the other end whenever you're tempted to copy something. Don't copy it. Make your own unique thing, put your own unique spin on it, and go from there. Okay? There's a lot of ideas out there.